Hey everyone, welcome to my video. In this video we are going to be modeling this plastic buckle. Let's start together. As always, we open a new part and on the front plane I'm opening a sketch. First we make a center line which is 35 millimeter. Yes, and then we create our half of our profile. Yes. Here will be 28 millimeter. Here will be 24, and this area half of the 35 divided by 2, we can say. And then I'm just basically making a mirror. After we create this, we make 10 millimeter extrude. From right plane, let's look at the other side better. And here I open on the top plate a sketch, and I put here a arc. This arc will be tangent on the top, and front we have 6 millimeter, behind we have a 9 millimeter height from bottom. And I'm saying my program both sides through the up cut my part. With a line we are able to cut part in SolidWorks, and then we just open on the behind surface here, like we can say right plane, sketch again, and here placing an arc and giving the relations. This arc is 109 millimeter, and here we put one construction line, and we are making this 2 point symmetrical according to the construction line. And now we just create here a closed sketch, because now we are going to make a cut sweep on with top plane. On the surface I'm creating an intersection, and by this way I will use this line, this curve, as a guide curve per path in the cut sweep operation. As you see, we basically create that. Here I have a 3 millimeter radius, and in this stage I will copy my part for the male body. Here we have a move and copy, and one time I am copying that, and we are just basically leaving it here by giving another color and hiding it. This will be used for other operation. Now we are having some more cutouts. Here I have a cutout more, which is 20.5 millimeter wide, and from here to here our dimension is 26, and on the corners I have 1.5 millimeter radius. We are saying our program basically to cut it through all bow. Yes, our program cut it for us. And I have another cut which is on the side profile, basically something like this, and I make this horizontal, and here giving the values again. This point from starting point 7.25, this point is 10, and this point is 19, and here we have a 25, and this area is 15.3. We just place this sorry, just remove this one. Yes, the 25 going to be something like this exactly, and then we just make mirror, and here with rule I cut my part. I have a 10mm radius on this edge and on this edge, and 3.5 on this edge, 3.5 on this edge. Yes, and 2 times 3 here and here, here and here. Yes. Now we are going to make one spatial radius operation, which is going to be a variable fillet, and control points just 1, and we just select this area, and this area. Here 2, and here we have a here 2, if I'm right, here with 1 radius. We are just ending. Sorry. Yeah, basically a radius like this. Yes. The same operation for the other side. We continue, and we just make control points 1. That means for one edge you have 1 control point. This is 2. This was 1mm. Yes, it is done, and here we create 1.5mm radius. Oh, sorry, a normal radius with 1.5mm value. As you see, it is done. Just here we need a 1mm radius. Sorry. Yes, 1mm, and the same 1mm here again. And we just now go create an inner cut. For that we just open here a sketch and putting here 1 slot. This is going to be our slot, and I have 2 times construction geometry here, and which is touching here. I will just make basically them equal, and then giving here my value. This is 6mm. From here to here 22mm. We can make a little bit more. Yes, 24mm. And this is going to come till the this area. Yes, $25mm. We have a cutout, and now inside we have a smaller cutout here. Because the area where we cut it wasn't that much big, and with midpoint option I'm creating here another one, which this area is, and this is going to be 19.5, and then we are going to control it. Yes, it is looking fine, and with some value we just cut our body. Yeah, normally here there was something different. I will leave this cutout for later, and now I'm going to create for another option, or we can complete, sorry, couldn't remember exactly the form. Yes, it was, if I'm right, yes, something was like this. Exactly, now we found out. This 2 is equal, they are 1 millimeter, this is 4, and from here to here 8.5. let's make it here a value for 7 millimeter, and to make value is same, I make the 2 edges collinear now here, and I just go make mirror and adding here some radius, 1, 2 times 1 here, 2 times 1 radius here, and now we just to both sides, got it. Yes, this will be the area where our buckle will enter in. And here we have a 1 millimeter radius again. Now I'm going to create the other side, which we make our part is visible, and with surface face command I'm making 14 millimeter extension. After that we just cut with a surface unnecessary part. Surfaces, cut with surface, this area must go, I'm saying. And now I create my second body. Here we have 3 millimeter radius. Here I have variable radius, one control point, here 3, here 2 we are making, and here again a variable radius with 1 control point, here is 3, here is 2. And on this area I have a 1 millimeter, 1.5 millimeter if I'm right. Yes, 1.5 millimeter should be a radius again. Yes, this is also done. Now we go create our cutouts for this body first. That's why we must look from side, and I'm opening here a plane and starting to create my model, a model like this. This is 3 millimeter, this is 4 millimeter, this is 8.5, and we just close our whole sketch. And yes, this will be 1.5, and this is 135, in fact 45-degree one. And I have here a 5 millimeter gap, which is from here to here, it is around 5.2075. Yes, we create this one, and now we just cut for our body in the middle, and the wide is 19 millimeter. we just cut our parts, and buckle in this area is fine when you check it model. Here I have a fillet which is chamfer, this is 1 millimeter, and here a chamfer with 0.5 millimeter value. I create here a sketch, and I just go hide this body to make you understand. With right mouse button we select tangency. I copied this original surface. Now I show my other body and hide this one, and we just go create here a 2 millimeter, 2.5 millimeter long, 2.5 millimeter, if I'm right, yes, 2.5 millimeter long part, which is centering part. When you connect buckle, that will enter the area. This is also 2 millimeter chamfer sporting. Our model is almost done. I'm checking did I forget some things. Generally everything goes fine. Yes. After you connect this, of course you have here some radius. This was radius 1 if I'm right. Yes. The other side also must be radius 1. Both radius 1. This is also radius 1. After this operation, we just go find in the middle of this cutout, also this extrude, and looking from top and creating here a sketch. And in this stage it will be good to have this part also here to understand exactly what we are doing and what is our limitation. This was start from male part, and I go create here a line, and this will be my line. This is going to be 4 millimeter. This is going to be from here 7 millimeter. 6 millimeter, and we just ending up here. We can make like a collinear, and I'm just creating here now a radius. I was thinking maybe I can make with a normal with line extrude, but let's make it offset. That's why I was thinking if I'm making mirror, I'm not sure about the result. We create our part, and I close this one. Now I can make a mirror. Whole part is mirrored to the other side, and now we just hide it. Here we have a 6 millimeter height from with middle option apart, and now we're just going to create our fillets with fully rounded surface. In the fillet option we have a option like this. Program going to create for me a round there. See, it can be done with also surface cut with a normal extrude cut, but sometimes I prefer this way. This is done, and now we just go create here a profile where we will create inside of this area a part again. This will be 2 millimeter, and sorry, it seems okay, or we have it should be done here. Sorry, for so long time before I made this model. That's why I'm a little bit forgetting the options. As you see, it was intention to create something like that, and we will add later our radiuses. This is going to come somewhere here, and now I forget here to create one option. I will complete it first. 1 mm high, from here 5 mm, 4 mm, and again here 4 mm, and then I copy this surface. I send it unnecessary sides. If I'm right, this is a little bit looking my eye a little bit big. Yes, I think this is the thing that we wanna receive. That will be the part exactly. Here a radius for 2 mm, and here we have a chamfer for 1.5 mm, and the radius maybe here, exactly, almost this side is complete, and that radius also will be here somehow. Yes, we have a problem. Yeah, it wasn't a good radius operation. I think we have an open gap. I leave it like this for a while now, and of course here we have a radius again. With fillet option I'm not able to put here a radius. Oh, I understand the issue now. Because this surface is not straight, that's why we are not able to create. Better I'm deleting this surface and same problem to patch. Yes, now we will not have that problem. Yes. Same problem seems here. Yeah, anyway, I just put radius. Sometimes the steps important when you forget about some little details. You have some trouble. Everything almost done. We just now go create the last part, and then we complete our model. The last part is our side parts. I just open a sketch on the, let's check which plane. Yeah, on the surface, in fact. Yes, on the surface. I just go create a straight part here, and we have here a line, and on this area now I must go to this line. I just copied it. Yes, just copy it, and from with help of this edge, yes, let's take it. I create here a sketch arc, which will be here, which will be tangent to this part, and this we send it, and this we have again, and I just must check the area where it's touching. 3 mm here. Yes, it is looking fine. Should be something like this. And here we have in fact arc, if I'm right. Yes, the model was like this, and I create in the middle a construction geometry, and where I can give some values. Yes, 6, and from connection point was 21. Exactly, this is also fine. And now we create here a tangency, and this part somewhere like that should be. And now I go create here another tangency relationship, and here a tangency. Yes, this area will be 11 millimeter. This is both equal, and we have here a 4 millimeter highness and a radius on this edge. Yes, sorry, radius 1. Yes. Now everything almost ready, and here we just go create a radius again, and I think this is not ready yet. This is 50 millimeter apart, and I just go close now my model and check the sketch how it is exactly, and I just go create here one line. This is our profile, and this will be till this edge, and in this area we just go create by the help of the lathe face surface. Exactly, automatically we get it, and here we have a 1 millimeter radius, but program says you cannot give. Let's try with another value, or let's try this first. I think now we will be, this is so big by the way for edge. Yeah, 0.5 it says. Yes, now it is done. Yeah. Here again 1 millimeter radius. Yeah, this is also done. And through the whole surface here there is also 1 millimeter radius. .75. Let's make it. Probably the thickness is not enough there, and here also. And the last operation will be the mirroring part. I will try to mirror with my radiuses, but if it is not possible, maybe I can just cut part in two, and we can try by that way. Fillet operations are not seems coming. Oop, I couldn't mirror, something's happened. Anyway, I didn't understand. If I'm not understanding something in SolidWorks or forgetting, sometimes, yeah, because of long time modeling, you are not able to use every detail very well. I would say after a while you are forgetting, or you are becoming blind, and then just deleting part into two, I would say into half part, and then mirroring the other side, and then combining, you will receive same result, and we can delete our color. And we can give our own colors. I would like to see it a little bit dark, because this part generally is dark. Maybe there is some little radius operation. Here also, because of my radius, I have some little problem. I think we should change radius values on corner, also giving a little bit how to say, space to move that side parts. I didn't give any free space. Normally when we are designing some things between two parts, especially in plastic parts, for example, as it is here, I will take a how to say, half cut. We are giving always space 0.2, 0.25 according to the model and the dimensions. After then you don't have any problem. This was our video. I hope you enjoy, guys. You learned something new, some ways of modeling. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to support my channel for